The yard is for whatever animals want to be here. I'm licensed as a wildlife rehabilitator specializing in migrating birds. But we're supposed to take anything they bring, and so I get baby rabbits and put them in there, or squirrels, or they even bring snakes sometimes, lizards, you never know. We do get donations, and we have to pay for medicines and stuff, but the vets will volunteer their time. They're very, very helpful about that. And we get a lot of volunteers that come in and help with feeding the birds and everything too. So it's a great operation. Leo is a cook by profession, but he's volunteering to help with the animals right now.
She works constantly with the birds. I mean, she doesn't hardly ever let up. I only work here about 3 or 4 hours a day, but she is constantly working, trying to maintain the area around here for the birds themselves. There's a store right down the street called Vista, and if they have excess produce that they're going to throw away, Carol and I go down there and collect it, and we use whatever the excess is. We feed the birds.
It pretty much takes my time from dawn till dark. I actually envisioned having more of a supervisory capacity and lots of people working, but that hasn't worked out yet. I'd rather be across the street from a wetland rather than some kind of industrial park or a factory or whatever. But also being a rehabilitator, a wildlife rehabilitator, every animal I get is underweight because they can't find food. There's no natural areas left, hardly any natural spaces left, and this is one of the few. So I decided to get a degree in professional communication so I could communicate with the public, and they would hopefully pay attention to what I said rather than just being some crazy person off the street. I think they still think I'm the crazy lady on the street.